Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to customize the lock screen display on TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. The lock screen display is this one right here. If you would like to edit it, you'll need to go to the settings. Then you can go to home screen and lock screen, and you can change the settings of the lock screen by, for example, changing the lock screen clock. The lock screen clock can be changed like by the color. You can change the color of it. You can also change the saturation of the color. And that is basically what you can do with the clock. You can also customize the shortcuts. The right shortcut, the left shortcut can be assigned to something. Instead of phone, I'll do flashlight, for example. And now when I lock the screen, try to unlock it, I can press on this button to turn on flashlight or turn it off, and I can press and hold on this button to open the camera app. Now the next feature is going to be notifications on lock screen. You can show notifications, for example, or not. And then or you can hide the notifications on the lock screen. You can set a lock screen message, like, for example, your phone number in case you lose the phone, so it can be contacted. I'll do hard reset, and you can see it shows right here. And that is basically it. Here you can also change, of course, the wallpaper. So if you click on wallpapers in wallpaper and style section, you can find different wallpapers available here, or go to my photos and select the ones from your photos. I'll go here and maybe let's select a different wallpaper like this one. And you can swipe between different wallpapers to see which one fits. You can blur it or not, then click on apply, and you can apply it to home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll do just the lock screen, so my home screen stays the same, and this is my lock screen now. And that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next